It's really easy to make rock candy. All you need is sugar, water, and a little bit of patience. Start off by taking a wooden skewer, dipping it into water, then into sugar, and setting it aside. Then take a pot and put it over high-medium heat, add 1 cup of water and 3 cups of sugar. Continue mixing your sugar into the water until it dissolves. Now you have made a super saturated solution. Remember, we used 3 cups of water to 1 cup of sugar. This excess sugar that we used will form crystals once the solution cools. At this point, you can add your coloring and flavoring of choice. Taking your sugar-coated kebab stick, place it into the super-saturated solution and maneuver it so that it doesn't hit any of the sides of the jar.